Check out this janky thing. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, this thing's terrifying. It looks like Westinghouse. But I'm not. I think Westinghouse. I like the mirrored cab. It's like the one thing about this that isn't disgusting. Ugh. Reeks of hydro fluid too, just to add to the fun. Ugh, crusty. God help me. Should I be riding this thing at night? Is like, I feel like I'm gonna get shanked on this thing. God, this thing's amazing, isn't it? Ugh. Oh, look at that fucking fan. This thing is so fucking crusty. Open, please. There we go. All right, back up. Oh, that works. Surprisingly. Whoever manages this place has long given up. This is the elevator of a management that doesn't care anymore. God damn. Like, how do you just... I'm sorry, does it take, what, 5 seconds to dust that? Good lord. I get it's a parking garage and you don't really have to keep it that fancy, but Jesus fuck. Well, that's it. Get this out of here. Whoop. Gotta bring it with me so it doesn't get stolen. And there that thing goes. That's it.